how to use Instacart Referral code. So if you want to use Instacart Referral code, then what you need to do is first you need to log into your Instacart, or you can also go with your website and sign up or create an account and log into your account. But during sign up, you need to create a new account on the Instacart website or app and enter the code in the promo code field when prompted. But if you've already created an account, or if you already have an account but haven't placed an order, then you need to just open the app and then tap on account icon, which will be in the upper right, and then tap on credits, promos, and gift cards. And then select add promo code and enter the code. Instacart customers can refer friends and family. So for each referral, they'll get up to $40 credit to use across their first 2 orders. And you will get $10 credit once their delivery is complete. You can refer through text, email, or social media using the personalized referral code or link. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.